Hello guys, review Tecno Megapad 11, this version 8GB memory and 256GB storage, open box and look completion. We have device, of course, 11-inch Full HD Plus display 90Hz, okay, MediaTek G99 octa-core processor, 8000 mAh and large storage. Okay, in completion we have only adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Device made of metal and plastic, camera and LED on the back side, on upside power button and warm buttons, Type-C port, headphones port and speakers. We have Android 14, open Geekbench 6, talk about system information, GPU Mali G57 MC2, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. And to the benchmark results. Okay, good results. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.